Faye Thompson. I live in the heart of the Arkansas Delta. These Cornish hens are a little bit larger than most Cornish hens that you see. First of all, I've got to cut this lemon. We got to have lemon juice in it. And if you will roll your lemon some beforehand, it makes it a lot easier to get the juice out of it. I've already squeezed one lemon, so I think about all we're gonna need is about a half. We need a fourth of a cup here. That's it. So we pour it over and a fourth of a cup of butter. Now that's for 2 chickens. This recipe is for 2 chickens. You'll take that leftover lemon and put it in your garbage disposal. It sure makes it smell a lot better when you heat it up. I'll save this half for something else. Need to mix this butter and lemon juice together. Now, I have already washed the chickens. I'm going to dry them with a paper towel. These chickens weighed about 1.5 pounds, and it's a little bit heavy for a Cornish hen. They usually are not quite that heavy. I'm going to rub this butter and lemon juice all over this chicken. Put some down in it. You want it all over it. We'll take that butter that we're roasting here and put it over in the pan when we start to bake it. Now this is a fourth of a cup of lemon juice and a fourth of a cup of butter. Really need to wash when we're doing chicken. Always wash behind everything it touches. Okay, just gonna put this over in here. Now I can kind of divide my butter and lemon juice that was left over here. We don't want to waste that. We're gonna salt and pepper them. You do that to taste, whatever you think you need to put on them. Turn them over. Salt them. Okay, we have to pepper them. Then we need to tie the legs. This kind of keeps the chicken from falling all apart. So now we got it salt and pepper. So we got it tied, so we're ready to put it in the oven. Okay. I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. Our chicken has been cooking an hour, and I think that's going to be enough. We're going to pull the foil back and let it brown. Let me see if it's tender enough. It's okay. What we need to do is pull this foil back and let it brown now. What we're going to do now is leave this in here about 15 or 20 minutes until it browns. If you don't have a basting tube, just use some kind of spoon, as long as you get it on top. Okay, our chickens are brown, and I'm going to take them out of the oven. They look real good. This is our Cornish hens for the day. I hope you do this recipe, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I hope you join us on another family video. Thanks for watching.